Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How Logical. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can reset your Fifth Third banking account's password. Keep watching the video till the end. To recover your Fifth Third banking account's password, firstly open your Fifth Third application. The home page of Fifth Third application will appear on the screen. Click on Forgot Login option. On the next page, enter your last name, social security number, zip code, account or credit card number and tap on Next. You will be directed to another page where you will have to enter a few more credentials and eventually you will be able to set up a new password for your Fifth Third's banking account. This is how you can reset your Fifth Third's banking account password quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.